So, we're done with another trend na nga hulog-hulog na itong lahat ng dito. Uy, kakapal. So, yan. Wait. Ngayon muna natin to. Lagay natin sa gilid. My God, kaloka. Anong nangyayari sa ano? Wala tayong Filipiniana. So, sa totoo, sleeve lang today. Tadaan! Ginawa siyang sleeve. Oh, lights ko. Hindi na niya kinaya, besh. So, magtatanggal lang naman tayo. Unahin ko muna itong mga nails na to. Stick on nails lang to, guys. Aray. Ano lang to? In case of emergency na mga nails. Haven't seen anything that I can use for this trend. So, I hope you understand. So, this is everything that I got as of the moment. But I'm inspired to do the Philippine makeup trend. So, that's why stick on nails. I used to go to La Shasta, but I don't have enough time to go there. As of the moment. So, that's why impromptu po yung ginawa ko. Ganun. So, ito naman, another improvise. Supposedly, meron siyang ganito. Natanggal. Final na hindi ko na maano kasi because of my long nails. Kaya that's why. So, by the way, guys, thank you so much for your love and support of my Indian makeup na trend. Hala, grabe kayo, guys. It's 800,000 views already. Wow! Thank you sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for all the support. Grabe kayo talaga. Super thankful. Love you so much. And by the way, guys, ang hair ko is pa ganun talaga. Ito, another earrings, mga burloloy, ganyan. And this one, ano lang, ganyan lang siya. And thank you for this. Matagal na tong pearl na necklace ko, guys. Ngayon ko siya nagamit. Amazing talaga. Uy. So, we're going to remove our makeup. Ito pala. Bior. Yan, I totally forgot to, put on contact lens. Hala. Indian makeup. Sana you're going to make the Philippine makeup trend rin. The same love that you gave sa Indian. And I'm going to double cleanse this, Garnier Micellar Water, our face. So that I could rest and then edit everything. Because I still have to edit a lot of videos for my clients. Prepare for a certain meeting with clients as well. Sana nag-white na lang ako ng background na siguro maganda pa. Green screen ko kasi akala ko lalagyan ko sana siya ng flag. I don't know if I could use that one. If wala, di wow. I really love this Garnier combination with the Bior for double cleansing. I usually use this as well for my clients. So after this, I'm just going to still wash my face and then apply moisturizer and toner and everything. And then I will rest and go edit this video. So thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for the love and support. God bless. Sarang.